All right, so no way I'm gonna go by a restaurant and buy a shrimp po' boy sandwich. Heck, I don't even know if they have those. They should though. It's a Louisiana style restaurant, but I know it's gonna cost $9 or $10 probably. So I'm gonna go on down to camp, and I brought stuff. I'm gonna make me a shrimp po' boy using my cast iron skillet because it's Cast Iron Wednesday, and February challenge is sandwich. Make a sandwich using your cast iron skillet. So that's what I'm gonna do. Come on. I'm gonna go over there and make me a shrimp po' boy sandwich. So I'm gonna fry up some shrimp. I'm gonna make some remoulade sauce to go on my bun. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just warming up that water for some coffee. Duke's mayonnaise. This is Tony Chacheres or Chacheres. I don't know how to say it. The Tony's Cajun seasoning. I got some Dijon mustard and Worcestershire or Worcestershire.
I wish I had some Worcestershire sauce. I can't say Worcestershire.
You know that sauce. And I got some dill pickle relish, capers, and garlic in here. I'm gonna mash up the lemon and some milk to when I batter up my shrimp. I'm gonna make the sauce first, though. In fact, I better go check that water. Oh, it's boiling. Let's see, I'm gonna turn this off, I guess, for now. I'm gonna make my sauce and then I'll make coffee. I want to kind of mash these capers down a little bit. What about this little silicone pot cheese gave me? Huh? It's pretty cool, huh? Just kind of rough cut, rough chop that kind of. Rough smash it. This is, like I said, this is a little bit of paprika, some Tony's. This is Dijon mustard and the Worcestershire, however you want to say it. Mm-hmm. Put in the mayonnaise. Duke's, of course. Of course, you know, no sauce is complete without Texas Pete. And I want to use about that much lemon juice. I'm just gonna mix this up. Oh, that'd be great. All right, I'm gonna set this aside. And nothing wrong with a little bit of instant coffee. Don't get you all upset. Cheers. What I want to do now, I got to get these shrimp out and I'm going to remove the tails. They're raw shrimp, but I got to just peel them and take off the tails, and then I'll marinate them up a little bit. Almost forgot my garlic. That would have been bad. I don't think I need this whole clove. Oh yeah, it's gonna make it a lot better. You can see these are pretty big shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and peel these, get the tails off, and then I'll be right back. So while those shrimp are getting happy, I'll just take a little coffee break. Oh yeah. All right, just gonna let that get hot. I'm gonna batter up those shrimp. This is flour and cornmeal mixed together, which I'm gonna put in this one. About all I'll probably need. A little bit of milk in this one. If you don't have any buttermilk and you want buttermilk, all you gotta do is use regular milk, put a little bit of lemon juice in it, stir it up and let it sit there for a few minutes. It'll kind of become like I'm gonna put a little bit of that stuff in there too, what cheese sent me. This is gonna be good. All right, that's what I'm gonna do to the rest of them. Dry, wet, dry. One more. All right. Be ready for the grease. Oh yeah, that's ready. Hey, I want to thank Steve Winkleman again for sending me that 400. That's very cool. Well, you act like you never seen a guy make shrimp po' boys out in the woods, huh? I'll let them go about 2 or 3 minutes per side. Oh, yeah. Maybe they don't have shrimp po' boys where you live. I never thought that some people might not even know what it is. Oh yeah, man. They're looking good. I feel sorry for those of you that are allergic to shrimp. I'm glad I'm not. Yum. Mercy. Just for the heck of it, I mixed up my leftover milk and my flour and cornmeal into that batter, and I dropped a couple in there just to see what would happen. All right. Let's all right. I think I am going to put another squeeze of lemon juice on there. You know, I have two buns, and if you were here, all right, that's all I need there. Some people don't put onions on theirs, but I'm gonna put a little bit on mine. Well, I gotta fit. Since you didn't show up, I'm gonna fit 4 on there. Oh my. And because, let's see, because I have them, I'll have some baked beans to go with it. I gotta get that piece of, oh yeah, I got that big fat piece of bacon in there. Yum. Man, look at that. That's good enough for a picture, right? You know what I need though? I think some dirt fell in there. Anyway, cheers, man. I'm telling you. All right, it's time for me to eat. I better get a napkin for sure. Maybe I better get 2. All right, let's go eat. All right, I know this is going to be rude to eat in front of you, but look at that. I gotta do it. Okay, I'm gonna eat the rest of this, but before I go, I do want to say thanks. I appreciate you hanging out with me for a little while I did my cast iron Wednesday month of February challenge. Make a sandwich using cast iron. So I made the shrimp po' boy and joined it with some Bush's baked beans. And so, anyway, see y'all later. Y'all thought I almost forgot about my look. They came. Look how thick they. I'm impressed. I'm gonna put a little of this horseradish sauce on. Man, look, it's cakey. It it's cakey. It's crunchy on the outside. It doesn't really. There's half flour and half cornmeal. Man, if I had some honey, I'm gonna remember that.